Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're building something super cool, a multi-agent chatbot using Streamlit and Langchain. This chatbot will have multiple AI agents that can answer general queries, solve math problems, and even share fun facts. By the end of this video, you'll have a chatbot powered by Google's Gemini model, capable of switching between different AI agents based on user input. So, let's get started. Before we start coding, we need to install some required libraries. Let's do that first. Step 1. Install the required packages. This command installs 3 important libraries. Streamlit, to build our chatbot's user interface. Langchain, to create and manage multiple AI agents. Langchain Google Generative AI, to connect with Google's Gemini AI model. And step 2, import the required libraries. Now let's break down what each of these imports does. Helps us set up environment variables, like API keys. JSON, used for handling JSON data. Streamlit as STIA, import Streamlit for building the chatbot UI. Tool, initialize agent, Langchain functions to define and set up AI agents. Chat Google Generative AI allows us to use Google's Gemini model. Conversation buffer window memory gives our chatbot memory so it can remember previous messages. Random, used later for generating random fun facts. Now that we have our environment ready, it's time to set up our AI model and create the first agent. Section 2. Setting up the AI model in General Query Agent. Step 1. Setting up Google's Gemini AI model. Here, we're setting an API key for Google's Gemini model. This allows our chatbot to connect with Google's AI and generate responses. Important note, never share your API key publicly. Always use environment variables to store them securely. Step 2. Initializing the AI model. We're initializing Google's Gemini AI model, specifically Gen 5 /02. This model is fast and efficient, making it perfect for a real-time chatbot. Step 3. Creating the General Query Agent. This function sends user queries to Gemini AI and returns the response. Model.invoke input sends the user's question to Gemini AI. Results.content returns the AI's response. Exception handling ensures the chatbot doesn't crash if something goes wrong. Step 4. Defining the General Query Agent. Now we register our function as an AI agent using tool. Name equals general agent, the name of this agent. Func equals general, links this agent to our general function. Description describes what the agent does. This means our chatbot can now answer general queries using AI. Great, we've successfully set up our first AI agent. Next, let's add a math agent that can solve equations. Section 3. Creating the math and trivia agent. Step 1. Creating the math agent. This function evaluates math expressions using eval. Security warning. Using eval can be risky. In a production app, always validate user input before evaluating expressions. Step 2. Defining the math agent. This registers our math agent, allowing users to input equations and get results. Step 3. Creating the trivia agent. This function randomly selects a fun fact from a list and returns it. Step 4. Defining the trivia agent. Now our trivia agent is registered and ready to share fun facts. Awesome. We now have 3 AI agents. One for general queries, one for math problems, and one for fun facts. In the next section, we'll combine these agents into a single chatbot and add memory so it can remember past conversations. Section 4. Initializing the conversational agent. Step 1. Adding conversation memory. This sets up a memory system that keeps track of the last 3 interactions, helping our chatbot remember past messages. Why memory? Makes conversations more natural. Users don't have to repeat themselves. Step 2. Initializing the conversational agent. Here, we create our final AI chatbot. Agent equal chat conversational react description. Defines the agent type. Tools equals general tool math agent trivia agent. Combines all 3 agents. LLM equals model uses Google Gemini AI for responses. Memory equals memory keeps track of past messages. Our chatbot can now handle general queries, math problems, and trivia all in one. Next, let's add chat history so users can see their past interactions. Section 5. Managing chat history and user input. Step 1. Initializing chat history. We store chat history in Streamlit session state so messages don't disappear when users send new inputs. Step 2. Handling user input. This section does 3 things. 1. Creates a text input field for users. 2. Stores user messages in chat history. 3. Sends the input to our chatbot and stores its response. This makes the conversation feel more interactive. Section 6. Final demo and wrap up. And that's it. Our AI chatbot is now fully functional, handling general queries, solving math problems, and even sharing fun facts. Let's run our chatbot in Streamlit. Open your terminal and run Streamlit run chatbot.py. Try asking questions like, who is the president of the USA? Solve 5, 2 plus 3. Tell me a fun fact. The full version of the code is available in the description on my GitHub. Check it out. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.